Welcome to Boulder Ridge Villas at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. And today is our first time staying in the newly refurbished studios. And it's a really beautiful room, so let's get started. So right at your entrance, you have the first of two closets. This first closet is empty. And then there's also a second closet. But here is the kitchenette. And we have a microwave, ice bucket, a toaster, your bar sink, some cleaning supplies, paper towels. We have both kinds of coffee maker, a drip and K-cups. And they also give you a selection of coffee and tea and everything you need. And if you need some more, you can just ask for it. And then we have a mini fridge. And this one actually has a little freezer compartment. You just never know if you're going to get one that has one or not. But this one has one. And then in here, your plastic utensils, bottle opener, can opener, and then these cabinets and drawers are just storage. And then up top, you have your disposable cups and dishes. Oh, sorry. And then here is the second closet. There doesn't seem to be a light in it, but we have a full iron coat hangers and ironing board. Up top, it has the extra pillow and blanket that you'll use for the Murphy bed. And then hidden way in here, quite inconveniently, is your safe. And here is the bathroom vanity area. It's a little dark over here. Like this is all the lights, so it's a little dim, but you have a light up makeup mirror though. Bathroom sink, hand soap and lotion. I really like the oil rub bronze fixtures that they've got in this room. So towels. And then here is the toilet and shower room. Toilet. Some very calming artwork. Here is your shower with two shower heads. I really like that tub faucet. That's pretty. And then here's what the inside of the shower looks like. And you have your large size toiletries. And this has the sliding glass door that they've been replacing. And the only thing is, it compared to the shower curtain, you do have less elbow room, as it were, because the shower curtain is flexible, but these glass doors are not. So the showers feel a little bit smaller since they've changed them. Now here is the bedroom. We have double bed. I love this colorful headboard. And we have nightstands on both sides with outlets. And that's what we love. Over here you have your phone, the scary Alexa thing. Little Mickey is not included. He's mine from home. And here we have the pull-down Murphy bed with this adorable artwork of Donald leading the junior woodchucks. And then there's Chip and Dale on the left, stacking nuts. So cute. And nice red sofa. And this table lifts up. I'll show you what that looks like in a minute when I pull the bed down. This beautiful, colorful rug. These curtains. We've got little Disney touch on the curtains. We've got Pluto and Mickey animals. Very cute. And then here is the fifth sleeping surface. This only sleeps one person. It's a pull-down bed. And here, these drawers are for storage. They're not particularly deep. And then you just have these two stools as the only other place to sit other than the sofa in the room. And then this pops up into a table. So I'm going to pause here and show you what the balcony looks like and pull the beds down. So I'll be right back. And here are what the beds look like pulled down. Here's the artwork behind the double bed. Donald and the nephews again. at Geyser Point. Then you have your double bed. And this is what that table looks like, the tabletop extended. And there's also pillow and blanket inside here for the extra beds. And then for the single bed, you've got this cute Chippendale. They got all the nuts up into the tree and they're exhausted. So cute. Okay, let's take a look outside. So this room is on the ground floor. So we have a little patio area with 2 chairs and a table. We have this lovely tree view, lots of ferns, and there's Copper Creek right across from us. Very nice. And then right by this room is the walkway to the main building, and then the walkway to the bus stop. We also have this adorable artwork. We've got Humphrey Bear at Geyser Point, love him, and then Mickey and Pluto at Faline Falls. Very cute. Boulder Ridge is one of 2 DVC resorts at Wilderness Lodge. Copper Creek is the other one, and it's in the main building, whereas Boulder Ridge is its own building. There's a covered walkway that connects Boulder Ridge to the main Wilderness Lodge building, and that's where you'll find the store and all of the restaurants. Except Geyser Point, which is out back, of course. Wilderness Lodge is one of the most beautiful Disney resorts. It's very popular at Christmas time, so you really need to book early if you want to stay at either of the Wilderness Lodge resorts during the holiday season. Now, personally, I like Boulder Ridge better than Copper Creek. I like being in that separate building. It's a lot more quiet over there. It gets a lot less traffic, and it's a really beautiful space. Boulder Ridge is also very close to the bus stop. So if you're traveling by bus, you really can't get any closer than Boulder Ridge. Overall, I think they did a great job with this refurbishment of Boulder Ridge. I love how they decorated the rooms. I also have a video of a 1-bedroom if you want to check that out. Well, if you enjoyed this video, if you could please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!